Hi everyone, welcome to my watercolor series inspired by this amazing book, The Joy of Watercolor by Emma Block. This book is filled with beautiful exercises designed to spark creativity and help us master a variety of watercolor technique. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to improve, this series is perfect for exploring new subjects and growing your skill step by step. Over the next few weeks, we dive into different themes like flowers, fruit, plants, animals, and people. Each video will focus on exercises from this book, giving us a chance to learn, practice, and enjoy the process of watercolor painting together. So grab your paint, just relax, and let's find the joy of watercolor.
Today we're painting these charming flower cards filled with colorful flowers. This is a fun and relaxing project, perfect for everyone who loves watercolor flowers. Grab your brush and let's create something beautiful together. And if you haven't, please subscribe and support my channel for more cozy painting sessions. Thank you! So here, we start with a simple sketch. Lightly draw a flowers card. Make sure to include the wheel, wooden frame, and the table for the smaller plants. Next, sketch the flower pots, arranging them naturally. Add different plant shapes, some round, some tall, to create variety. Make sure to keep the lines soft and avoid pressing too hard. The beauty of watercolor is that we can build layers over these. Now it's painting time. For the flowers pot, I'm using a warm brown mixed with a little orange. Paint lightly, leaving some white spot to create a natural texture. And for the greenery, use a mix of sap green and yellow green to add variety of leaves. The flowers are the fun part. Add a bit of burnt sienna to the edge to show depths. Here is a watercolor tip. Try not to overwork the flowers here. Keeping them loose and soft make them feel more natural. I'm using a mix of grey and a touch of brown to give it a rustic, weathered wood look. Adding depths and details is very important in your watercolor art. Once the layer is dry, let's deepen the shadows. Add the second layer of darker grey on the card's underside and around the wheel to create dimension. I'm dapping soft pink, yellow, purple and red for a loose impressionistic feel. Let the colors blend naturally, it's very important. It's time for some final touches. We're almost done. If you want to have a soft blend colors, the technique is to use wet on wet technique. And just take a step back and enjoy the full scene. It's full of life and charm. And that's it, a beautiful, simple watercolor flower card. I hope you had fun painting along with me. If you enjoyed this, please support me by your likes, comments and subscribe for my cozy art session. Your support means the world to me and keeps me going. See you in next video. Take care.